Want to know how to register or sign up in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So you need to download it. We have also created a video on how to download it on your Mac or your Windows, so make sure to watch it. So in order to sign up, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI, and the first thing you see is this login screen right here. So you can just simply select sign up right here, and it should open up an external browser for you right now. So you need to log in or sign into Cursor by selecting continue to sign in. Now you can just simply sign in with any three: your Google, GitHub, Apple, or your email. Just simply select continue, and you can just simply sign in accordingly. So once I've done that, you can just simply choose an account, and there you go. You should be successfully signed in. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.